Hi, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how to add a section within Google Forms. Now, this is really nice if you're trying to use the same Google form but ask multiple types of questions and you want to section them off. So, what you need to do is you need to figure out where you want to split your questions into the different sections. So, if I want this question to be separate from this question, and separated by a section, all I would need to do is click on the question and then come over here to that column on the right side. And at the bottom, there is an icon that looks almost like an equal sign, but really it's the splitting of a Google form into two sections. And if you put your cursor over it, it says add section. Now, when I click on it, you're going to notice that it splits the form into two different sections. This one is section 1 of 2, and this one's section 2 of 2. And below the first section, you'll also notice it has this drop down that you can decide how you want your people who are taking the form to move through your form. So once you decide where you want them to move after that first section, you're going to click it. I'm going to have them move on to that next section below. And then when it appears for your people who are taking the form, it will appear the first section they'll fill out all the questions that you have, and then they'll click next and they'll move on to the second section or however you want them to move forward as decided by this drop down right here. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on how to add a section to a Google form.